Mycroft's pressure point is his junkie detective brother, Sherlock. Sherlock's pressure point is his best friend, John Watson. John Watson's pressure point is his wife.
Little ghost, you're
Well, look how you care about John Watson. Your damsel in distress.
It's brilliant. Because you're an idiot.
The halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No
You look sad when you think he can't see you.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now
But it takes John Watson to save your life.
Trust me on that, I should know he's saved mine so many times and in so many ways.
My wounded wings still beat.
All hearts are broken.
You've always loved the stranger.
Caring is not an advantage, Sherlock.
Falling's just like flying, except there's a more permanent destination.
Are you okay? Are you all right? Look at me. Can't do it, not now. Not alone.
Once you've opened your heart,
Take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me.
you can't close it again.
What's
going on?
Keep your eyes fixed on me.
Please, will you do this for me?
Do what?
This phone call.
It's my note.
Why are you saying this? Because you chose her. No. Hi, stop it now.
I want to fly into your
John,
world.
there's something
I want to be heard.
I should say. I've meant to say always and I never have.
My wounded wings still beat.
Since it's unlikely we'll ever meet again,
Always love the stranger.
I might as well say it now.
Inside me ugly pretty.
I love you.